Himanta, let's now look at Assam. In Assam, your own estimate was that you would win about 84 seats for the BJP. Well, you won about 60, and that's not really, past the halfway mark. So the BJP without alliance partners cannot form a government in Assam, just like last time. I want to ask you, did you overestimate? You've won, your alliance is won, and we're waiting for the chief ministerial announcement. But I just want to ask you the numbers. And I want to ask you, why were the Assam numbers lower than what you expected? You polarized, you did not take on Congress as much as you took on the AIUDF, but the AIUDF has performed better than the last time around. They've got 3 more seats. Has somewhere the BJP strategy misfired?
Navika, first of all, if you look at the number of BJP, our seat has increased by 1 seat. Last time we owned 59, this time we own 60. So BJP as a party, our performance remained the same like 2016. And during the election, I have given actually through WhatsApp to my leader that we are going to own 76 seats as a NDA, and we own 75 seats. So my estimate was realistic. I know that going by the circumstances, because every 5 years we are because of the same population arithmetic, we are losing seats in Barak Valley and Lower Assam simply because of the changes in political pattern. My expectation was 76 for NDA, we own 75, and so far as BJP is concerned, our number of seats has been increased by 1, our seat has not come down.
Himanta Biswa Sarma, is the strain in the relationship between Sarbananda Sonowal and Himanta Biswa Sarma as 2 very, very senior leaders of the BJP showing on the performance of the BJP?
No, first of all, BJP believe in an ideology. We work together. Till today we are working together, and we are going to work together. When we fought election in Assam, we fought for an ideology, and this is we fought for the people of Assam. We fought for the identity of Assamese people. Personal difference, personal ambition doesn't come when we are in election, because we fought for the identity of Assamese people. So Assam is a different land. As I told you in earlier interview also, it is like Israelis who fought every day for their nation. In Assam, we fought every election for our identity, because we know if we are going to lose, then our identity will be finished. We will be, our satras, our monastery will be captured again. So we fought Assam election with lot of patriotic flavor, and personal difference doesn't come anyway when we fought election in Assam.
You emphasize on the word personal differences do not come in the way when you fight elections. But right after elections, right after the victory, it's been reported that you had a separate meeting with your MLAs, he had a separate meeting with the MLAs, and that just shows that there are differences that stay, because otherwise you would have both met all the people together.
Navika, same MLA has come to my residence. They have offered me flowers and all. And after half an hour, same MLAs has gone to the residence of Chief Minister. These are basically the same MLA. If you look the visuals, same MLAs are moving in both the houses, because till government is formed, every elected MLA wants to meet their leaders, meet their friends. So this kind of bonhomie is going on. But these are the same people. There are no 2 sets of people. AGP President morning he came to my home. Evening he went to Chief Minister place. Next day morning he went to our party president place. These are the same people moving in various residences. There are no 2 sets of people.
But Chief Minister तो एक ही बनेगा हिमंतो दादा, 2 तो बनेंगे नहीं. एक चीफ मिनिस्टर बनेगा और एक उसका लेफ्टिनेंट बनेगा. तो दिस टाइम चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन और लेफ्टिनेंट कौन?
नाविका जी देखिए ये क्वेश्चन मेरा लीडर्स लोग आंसर करेगा और वी हैव ग्रेट फेथ ऑन प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी एंड होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह. So whatever Prime Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, our party President JP Nadda or Central Parliamentary Board, whatever they will decide, it will be all right for us. We have to keep Assamese identity intact. We have to convert Assam as a growth engine for entire country, and absolutely there is no difference in our party. We are together. People has voted for Prime Minister Modi. People have voted for the politics of identity. People have voted for politics of development. We are very happy that Prime Minister Modi started taking keen interest on the development of Northeast, and I want to see that this big development initiative which are taken by central government keeps going for another 10 years.
Himanta Biswa Sarma, you quit the Congress. You quit the Congress because there was a senior leader like Tarun Gogoi who would not allow you to function independently. The old guard was not giving way to the new guard, and your meeting with Rahul Gandhi at that time, and more than Rahul Gandhi, with Piddi at that time, is part of folklore in political corridors of power. So I want to ask you, Himantoda, in BJP, will you now realize your dream, your ambition for being the Chief Minister of Assam, something that you worked for many, many years?
No, Nabika, I think we have worked for some aim, some goal. Being Chief Minister cannot be an end in itself. We work, we are in politics for achieving certain higher goal, some ambition for my state. I quit Congress because when I see that I cannot work with an arrogant leader. I quit Congress when I have seen that Congress is going closer and closer to UDF. I quit Congress when I realized that from here onwards, I cannot contribute to my state being in that party. So that when I'll write my autobiography at some point of time, you'll know many things about the background why I have to resign at that point of time. It was not an easy thing. It was also painful for me to quit a party where I spent my entire youth, 22 years. But when you see an arrogant leader who doesn't know the pulse of the people, who goes by the old arithmetic of caste, various different equation, you cannot walk in that situation. But now I do not want to repeat the old story because we have those are past story. Whatever events I have to take democratically, we have taken in 2016. This election, even I have not mentioned the name of Rahul Gandhi in any one of my speech because I realized that things was whatever happened in the past, you will not go on recollecting in every and each moment. But yes, it will be very simplistic to say that I have quit Congress only to become Chief Minister. That was not the reason.